Hello everyone, so I'm in Frankfurt right now and I'm staying at the INNSIDE Frankfurt Ostend. I've been given room 622 on the 6th floor, so let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Key card for the room's power, light switches, climate control panel, floor plan, and that is basically the room, or rather a view of the room as you enter the door. Desk, TV, sofa, coffee table, some lights, a picture, I guess, the bed, another TV, and right in here is the bathroom with the toilet, dual sinks, mirror, hello, and a shower area. So, right in here, that is the connecting door, the room next door, storage, place to hang your clothes, place to put the bag, drawers, pantry area down there, bathrobe and slippers, some tea, mugs, coffee, kettle, in-room safe, the minibar which is free, as you can see, some glasses, not too sure what that is, but snacks, that I know. And that is the view that I get out of the room. That looks to be a block of flats just next to the hotel. It is a nice day, a bit cold, but at least it is not snowing or anything. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 622 at the INNSIDE by Melia, Frankfurt Ostend. Thanks for watching and goodbye.